Noah lived in a poor mountain village with his grandmother. Every morning, he collected firewood before going to school. His grandmother always smiled and said, "Kindness is never waste." One afternoon, Noah walked home through an old forest path. A strong wind shook the ancient trees. He noticed a faded red cloth tied around a giant oak tree. Near the roots of the tree, Noah discovered a small wooden box. It was old, dusty, and locked with a rusty iron latch. Someone had carefully buried it many years ago. Inside the box, he found a yellowed letter and a tiny silver key. The paper looked fragile with age. At the top, someone had written. The letter explained that 40 years earlier, a poor traveler had hidden the box. He had promised to return after helping his family, but life took him far away. His promise was never fulfilled. At the bottom of the letter was one final request. "If I never return, please deliver this key to the old mill beside the river." The next morning, Noah began the long journey. The river flowed gently beside the village. The old mill stood abandoned and covered with vines. Its broken wheel no longer turned. Inside the mill, Noah searched every corner. Dust floated through the warm sunlight. Finally, he noticed a tiny keyhole hidden behind loose wooden boards. His hands trembled. A secret compartment slowly opened. Inside rested another letter and a small leather pouch. Noah stared in complete silence. The second letter revealed an unexpected truth. The traveler had left his life's savings there. He hoped an honest person would someday find them. Noah looked at the pouch and faced the biggest decision of his life. Noah held the leather pouch tightly in his hands. He remembered his grandmother's words about honesty. He asked the oldest villagers about the traveler. An elderly woman suddenly remembered his name. She said he had once saved many hungry families. Then he disappeared without a trace. The villagers searched through old records. Together they discovered the traveler had one living granddaughter. She lived in a distant mountain village. Noah decided to find her. The journey was long and difficult. Heavy rain and rough roads slowed him down. But Noah never gave up. Finally, Noah reached a small wooden house. An old woman welcomed him kindly when she saw the silver key and letter. Tears filled her eyes. She said that traveler was my grandfather. Our family believed he never came back. She gently held the old letter. His forgotten promise had finally returned home. Noah gave her the leather pouch. She tried to reward him with the money, but Noah smiled softly. He accepted only her heartfelt thanks. The old woman opened the pouch. Inside was another hidden letter. It said, "If an honest soul returns this promise, share this treasure with those in need." Together, they used the money wisely. They repaired the village school. Poor children received books and warm clothes. News of Noah's honesty spread everywhere. People admired his kindness. Many strangers came to thank him. Back in his village, Noah's grandmother smiled proudly. She quietly said, "I told you, kindness is never wasted." Now Noah truly understood her words. Noah looked at the old wooden box one last time. He gently closed the lid and smiled at the sunset. Some promises may be forgotten by time, but honesty and kindness are remembered forever. A forgotten promise can change many lives, but honesty is the key that unlocks every true treasure.